What happened? I'll show you. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your average gents. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I turned this into this. Whether you like it or not, the trend of the distressed jeans is here to stay, probably for a very long time. And I personally dig it. I think it adds a lot of character to your jeans and it makes you look more rugged and badass. But rather than paying a premium to buy those pre-distressed jeans, why not make it yourself? So without further ado, let me demonstrate to you exactly how you can DIY your own distressed jeans. First of all, here are some of the tools that you will need. A pair of scissors, a pen, and a tweezer. That's all you need. What you need to do is to first put on your jeans, and what I'm focusing on in this tutorial is to really distress the knee area. You put on your jeans so that you know exactly where you want your distressings to be at. Then take your pen and mark the place you want to cut. And once you have done that, you can just take your jeans off. We are back at the table, and as you can see, here are the areas that I've marked using the pen. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the scissors to cut some slits on the jeans. Okay. Do not cut all the way to the side seams. You always want to leave about 2 to 3 cm at each side. Next, you take your scissors and use the blade to scrape the area that you have just cut open to make the distressing more natural and prominent. And also, do not hurt yourself while doing so, and of course, do not accidentally cut through the other part of the jeans. Now, the next part is the more tedious part. What you need to do is to take a tweezer and plug out all the vertical threads along this stretch. So this is what it'll look like when you are done. You really have to be patient about this. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to really take out all the vertical strands of threads in this strip. So you have to be patient. Now let's do the other side. So this is how it looks like when it's done. Now I'm gonna put on these bad boys. So that is it for this week's video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, I will see you guys next week.